Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a more detailed QR code using QRCode Monkey. So previously we learned how to use QRCode Monkey to make a simple QR code. I'm actually going to make a more detailed QR code this time, including logos and maybe setting some different colors. So again, in order to make my QR code, the first thing I need to do is ensure that I have my digital content ready, or the content that I want my QR code to link to available to me. So in this case, I'm going to make a QR code that links to a YouTube video which explains how the internet works for children. So I've got in a separate browser, I've got my YouTube video ready. I'm just going to click on the share link on the YouTube video to get the copy the code or the share code for that video. So I just simply highlight and press copy. And then I'm going to go back into my QRCode Monkey site. Now, the first thing I need to do here is set my content. So when I click on enter content, it drops down and it offers a place for me to be able to paste my URL or link that I want my QR code to connect to or to link to. So where I've got reading eggs, which is what I created previously, I'm just going to delete that and I'm going to copy and paste using Control V if you're on a Windows device, the link to my new QR code, to my new content for my new QR code. Next thing I'm going to do is set the colors. So at the moment it's set to black, but I, might want to change that. So I just click on the color code and I might make it like a reddy kind of color. And so that'll change my QR code from a black to a red. I can also add a logo. So if I click on this add a logo menu, I have some preset logos available to me. Now the logo that I'm going to use is obviously YouTube. So that gives the user an indication that this QR code would lead to something on YouTube. So I simply just click on that one. And then once I have all of that set, I hit create QR code. And again, it'll think about it and it'll create the QR code. So now you can see I have a red QR code with a red YouTube logo in the middle. To grab that QR code, I simply download that, or I can snip it using my snipping tool in whatever device I'm using. So a Windows device would be either finding the snipping tool or pressing Windows Shift S to bring up the snipping tool option. You can see my QR code has now downloaded, and so if I click on that file there, it will open up my downloaded QR code. I can then print that out and attach that to a piece of work, or I can share that digitally via something like Seesaw or email or any other means, a slideshow, for example, and that is how my students are going to access my code. Okay. Thanks. In the next video, I will show you how to use a different QR code creator called QRCode Generator, and how to set up an account with them and the sort of things that are available with an account with QRCode Generator.